In this video presentation, we will discuss sets and how we use in mathematical language. By definition, the definition of set is collection of objects called as elements. Let's look at this example. Example of S, of set S, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We can use the following notation. These notations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it called roster method. Set notation can be written symbol by enumerating elements. Also, the important notation is the concept. We denote such number like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 is the element of S, means 1 is an element of set S, while 6 elements means 6 is not an element of set S. Set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is an offset that denotes continuous dot going to the right. This means also contains 6, 7, 8, and so on. All numbers 6, 7, 8 is all positive integers. This is another example of infinite set extending the other direction. Notice the continuous dot is going to the left means also contains -3, -2, and -1. Also contains -4, -5, and -6. So on, all negative integers. Also, we have infinite set that extend to both direction. Notice there are continuous dot both left and right, also called and contains all integers.